Hello, Lions of Multiple District 320, the state of Telangana. Thank you, Council Chairman Mohan Prabhakaran, for inviting me to your multiple convention. I'm also thankful to my very good friend, a part of my family, past international director R. Sunil Kumar. Sunil, I cherish your friendship over 3 decades, or maybe more than that. I'm happy that international director R. Sampath, past international director G. Ramaswamy are attending this convention. The chief guest is our international president, Dr. Choi. We all are passing through this challenging time of COVID-19 pandemic. And I must congratulate you for your project of Lions Oxybag. I was indeed fortunate to be invited by your council to share my experience of the Oxybag. You have done a great job, a fantastic job. This has been the need of the time. I would like to congratulate the outgoing district governors for the leadership they have provided, and also I convey my sincere good wishes to all the district governors who have been elected to serve for the next year. I was thinking what I should share with you during this convention, and I thought it will be better if I can share with you some of the things which I learned from my past international president, Rohit Mehta. Teachings of past international president, Rohit Mehta. Say no ill of anyone. That was the hallmark of Rohit Bhai's quality. And as a lion, when we believe in our good code of ethics, it is expected that we always talk positive of everybody and do not talk ill of anyone. Carry yourself with grace and dignity because the lion members look upon us. We have to be an inspiring leaders, and therefore we should carry ourselves with grace and dignity. He always used to say that you should not get panicked because every problem has a solution. Those who have come near Rohit Bhai knows very well that one of the outstanding quality he possessed was make the other man feel comfortable. If somebody is coming to meet you, he should feel comfortable. He should not be scared of meeting you. And moreover, I remember an occasion that when I visited his house on the festival of Deepavali, and he offered me the sweets of Mysore Pak. Now, when I was the whole piece of Mysore Pak, I was trying to break into two pieces and eat. And at that time, I could not break the Mysore Pak in a proper manner, and it scattered on the floor. I was feeling embarrassed that you are sitting before a big international personality, and he will be thinking that I do not know how to eat the food properly. But do you know what did he do at that time? He immediately said, "Oh, don't bother about it. It is a small thing. But when I was of your age, I used to commit more blunders like this." So this is how he used to make the other man feel comfortable. I also had an opportunity to work with him uh, in his business. I was the managing director of his company, Rohit Mills, for a decade. And one thing I learned from him was never allow a resignation as a gunpoint. So if anybody resigns, accept it immediately. And that was one of the best lessons I learned from him. We found our doctor of the hospital resigned one time. I talked to Rohit Bhai, sir, what should we do? He said, accept it straight away. I said, but he's willing to reconsider. He said, that time has gone. If he wanted to discuss anything with us, he should have discussed it before giving a resignation. The same case happened with our school principal once. And these are all stories of more than 2 decades ago. And since then, nobody in our school or the hospital have dared to resign. They come with their issues, we solve them, but never allow a resignation to be used as a gunpoint. When I was going to the international board for the first time, I asked Rohit Bhai, tell me how I should participate in the meetings. He said, you should give an opinion. You should share your views. Because if you do not speak, then you will be giving your impression that you don't know anything. But give your opinion once or maximum 2 times. Do not stretch your opinion. That will give a wrong image about yourself, wrong image of the country which you represent, and don't take it personal. It is for the chairman and the other members of the committee to decide whether the opinion was necessary or not implementable. So that was a very important lesson I learned from him. I was in a habit earlier of not responding a call because I was in a meeting and I found missed calls. But he said, always answer a call whenever you are free. So that was one more important lesson I learned from him. And at the same time, he also said, do not give more than 2 missed calls to a person. Give 1 call, that's enough. But if it is important, give him 2 missed calls. But don't go on giving calls again and again because the other person, seeing your 2 missed calls, will call you back. This is how he used to make the other person comfortable. I had many more things to learn from him, but the life of Rohit Bhai was never give up. And he always used to tell me, Ravin, never give up. Never give up. And I'm sure when we are working for the community, we should never give up in continuing our service. And that's what we are doing in this challenging time of COVID. People are scared. Government is facing problems, but the Lions of India have come at the forefront in never giving up and coming forward for the assistance of the people. Once again, I thank you very much for the patient hearing you have given, and congratulations to all the leaders and the Lions of your multiple for the outstanding job you are doing. I would like to certainly applaud all the Lion members in this Zoom seminar, listening and attending this convention. Thank you, my friends. All the best to you. Continue the good work.